Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $16,619. 24-hour volume, we are down 36%, and market cap, we are down 4.17%. Heading over to our daily chart here, I am going to go into immediate short term for 4 hours, but quickly taking a look at the approach today. Yesterday, we ended as low as 15,800, and today as high as the 17,700. Notice the candlesticks too. We have a very long range at the very bottom of our candlestick, more than 70, I want to say 70-80% of the previous candlestick that we have. So we are getting a lot of selling pressure, and we are most likely going to see the price come down to the $16,200 range. And a few things indicating here that we can ultimately see that the price is going to continue to fall is, again, the panic of the audience and the emotion behind it. So a lot of people are panicking and pulling out and essentially selling, just crazy here. If we take a look at the RSI, we have 84% for our K line and 51% for our D line as well. We are going to continue to see the RSI drop, hence the price dropping as well. And we are in the trend, or in the actual peak of this bear trend here. We can see that the single, or our signal line, and our MACD line is further apart here. So we may see this for the next 1 or 2 days, or even multiple days here, of the wave for Bitcoin coming down. So I'm just going to switch over to the 4-hour time frame. There is a few things here that I wanted to show you. Ultimately, a few hours ago, just yesterday ending, we did come out of this parallel channel here. However, normally we would see a retest of the trend line and then continue to come up, but we're actually seeing the price getting rejected here around our 20 MA and continuing to be rejected. So this is a false breakout from this parallel channel, and this is going to be our area of supply and demand. Notice these two nodes of these volume profile off to the side is a lot longer. So again, this does have a lot of volume in the dollar amount of the 16,200 all the way to the top here of the 16,500 range. And we've already seen the tail of this candlestick coming down to 78% of our fib, and ultimately at the very bottom of the supply and demand zone. So this is going to be an area of support and an area of resistance if the price falls below this. Here is our next target price as well at the 15,673. We already saw that as low of yesterday, but take a look at how many candlesticks already is in the red. We've got a shooting star candlestick right here again, which follows by a red candle. So we've got an evening star combination with these three candlesticks itself, which is a bearish movement for our candlestick patterns. We do see ultimately the RSI of our K and our D line is going to cross over, giving us that selling opportunity if we see the white line below the pink line here. And of course, the MACD indicator is showing us lightness in the color, meaning the trend itself may soon be over and heavily selling on the bearish side. Not only that, but our stock RSI itself is considered to be overbought here. So normally, again, when it comes over 80%, it's considered as overbought, and then below 20%, we're looking for short trades going into buying opportunities. But because already we're at 85%, we are going to see the price continue to come down as well. So we are going to see it come down. This ultimately is our golden number at 78% at the 16,200. And again, I'm hoping that we do hold our position. If not, then we are most likely going to do that failed breakout and go back into that parallel channel going downwards. So let me know what you guys think. Oh, and one last thing here, if we kind of look above what happened previously as we approached this area of resistance at 18,200, we saw a crossover of a higher moving average over 200 and moving average 50. And typically these is called a death star. And essentially whenever we see the two moving averages and the lower moving averages moves under a higher moving average, 100 or 200, then essentially it shows a long-term bear movement. So just wanted to show you that. Almost forgot it, but let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you next time. Bye.